In this session, let us learn about Python MySQL insert into table. Insert into table. To fill a table in MySQL, use the insert into statement. See example, insert a record in the customers table. See, by writing and executing this code, see the one record inserted. Important. Notice the statement mydb.commit method. It is required to make the changes, otherwise no changes are made into the table. See, let us see next. Insert multiple rows. To insert multiple rows into a table, use the execute many method. To second parameter of the execute many method is a list of tuples containing the data you want to insert. See the example, fill the customers table with data. See here, now we are filling with customers data. See MyDB. See, we are using the so many customers: Cherry, Bhavanipuram, Deepanvi, Secunderabad, Lohita, Mangalgiri, Bannu, Guntur, 18, Tinku, Calcutta. See Lily. See, like this we have given some values. See, by printing this, the result return. See, 13 records was inserted. Get inserted ID. You can get the ID of the row you just inserted by asking the cursor object. Note, if you insert more than one row, the ID of the last inserted row is returned. See the example, insert one row and return the ID. See, by writing and executing this code, insert into customers, name, address, everything, Bagi, Ayyapanagar. We have inserted one. See, one record inserted, ID is equal to 15. Okay friends, this is the end of part 4, Python MySQL insert into table. In the next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MySQL select from. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.